Okay guys, see it running? It's as simple as that. I have no idea what the hell this thing is going to do, alright? And I'm not afraid of saying it. And I'm not going to be running around and asking some engineer what it does. I'm going to go to the guys that do it. The guys that built these. Turion built one of these, or lots of them, he said. Now there's my batteries. This been running for 10 hours. And I just did it. I just stuck it on there because I didn't know what it was going to do. And it's charging this battery pack up over here. See? My gator clamp, one there and one there. Now this battery pack was about, I discharged it down to 10.4. And in 24 hours, or I mean less than 24 hours, let's see, 10 hours, because last night about 4 o'clock, right? And this pack, I swear to God, this pack was 25.5 last night at 4 a.m. in the morning. And that thing just won't move. And this is a full, just about an amp draw on this motor. And by the way, I did, you see the little bolts there? I did what Matt told us to do, and it's running, and I don't have much of a plug, but oh, there it goes. You'll see a mark down here. See that little magic marker mark? I rolled it in the direction the man told me, and it's cooler now. Alright? I still got my holes, but it's not hot. Can barely feel any heat coming from it. So that was a home run. I'll hook this back up. Now how hard is that to show the thing running and you don't know what it's going to do? I don't know what it's going to do. I turned that back plate and I turned it the other way. You know, got to go the other way, right? Because the guy said don't go that way, right? Don't go that way, go the other way. And when I go that way, the wrong way, it slows way down and the amps go way up. But when I roll it backwards, I mean clockwise, you know, looking at the shaft, the back plate, like I was told, it works. It works better. It goes up and the voltage goes up and this jumps up and the RPMs jump up, you get more speed and everything, and so I don't know. It's running. Why am I running it? Because I remember before how the batteries would not go down. That's why I'm running it. And I got to get back to this, because if I run an inverter on this, see it there? It'll come down again. I just reset the meter. It's like 25 volts from 25.4 volts. Now how hard is that? And here's the charge battery. So I'm just running it. That's what we're supposed to be doing. Now what I was told was this pack can run through this motor. And look at all that mechanical you got there. I mean, that's strong. And it charges that battery over there. But the thing is, if it's just going to hang on the input, look at it. If it's just going to hang at only move a tiny bit, and I don't even have this thing tuned, how many packs am I going to be able to charge over here? That's the question. And of course, it's the differential isn't as high as I would like it, and we know there are other experiments too. Another one is to beef up the signal going to the motor on the input, because right now the motor's only getting this. Watch. I'm gonna do my differential voltage. Okay, there's my differential voltage. Can you see it? 1292. Well, it's not so much of a potential difference, but I know there's a hell of a spike in there. So, and a transient. So I'm not worried. Okay, watch what happens. Well, I just want to show you the amp draw on this. I've been running like 0.9 amps all night, and this thing hasn't even flinched. And that's what I was told. That's what we've been told. See it? Now, how hard is that? You see that old-fashioned mechanical amp meter? I'm running right at 900 milliamps. Now you guys go figure it out. 900 milliamps, and I'm running it at 1290. Are you going to seriously sit here and tell me you can't do the math? That thing don't want to start, does it? There it goes. You can't do the math and tell me how much that pack right there should have went down by now? But I know from reading my meters. If I put an inverter on this at a 1 amp draw, that thing goes down, fellas. Not this motor.